So guys, I'm gonna show you how to make some things on Scratch. And today we're gonna do multiplication, and you guys better follow because this could get the tutorial in your mind. So let's get ready. Yes, I'm trying to drink like the teacher didn't allow me inside, but I'm gonna try and do as fast as possible. I have to make a new one. I have to make new ones. So yes, this is my sprite, but for now I'm gonna choose to use a background, which is actually really nice. We're gonna go to the Grand Canyons, and then this cat, you can obviously name the cat. I'm gonna name him Darbest, and he's not gonna be alone. He's not gonna only be asking me. He's gonna be with Ben. And Ben is kind of giant compared to him, but you can obviously change that if you want to. Obviously flip him horizontally so he can face Darbest. I'm going to keep him as Ben. And we're only going to be using 2 scratches for this one. So I'm going to say when flag clicked. And I'm going to say, go to sensing guys, go to sensing. Then drag. You have to drag the text. If you're using keypad, it's going to be hard, but if you're using mouse like me, not going to be that as hard as you expected. So what he's going to ask me, Ben, is going to ask, what is 2 plus 2? 2 plus 4 then. 2 plus 4. That's fine, I guess. No, he's not gonna ask Ben, he's gonna ask me. And then after that, we're gonna go, not meow. We're gonna say, okay, nice one. Let me see if Ben will help you out here. There we go. And then, boom. Okay, nice one. Let me see if Ben. Okay, nice one. Let me see if Ben. That's easy. Look, just watch. Okay, nice one. Let me see if Ben was a clown. Then Ben. Wait, Ben is a referee. I never knew. I've used almost all the Scratch things, and I still don't know. And then I'm gonna ask what is 10 times 10. So, what is... I hate this.
20 minutes later.
So, we've already done the coding, as you can see. Oh wait, that's the video I was just doing. So, Ben will ask what is 10 times 10. That's what I had said, what he's gonna ask. And then he's gonna, okay, here's what he's gonna say. Holy moly, you are really good. There we go. I blew a whistle. Holy moly, you are really good. Holy moly, you are really good. Okay, like that. We're gonna play the recording. And then you guys watch. What is chat I said? 100. Holy moly, you are really good. And then 6. Okay, nice one. Let me see if Ben was a clown. So that's how you guys make it, and you can share it with anyone. So I'm gonna say adding and multiplying. And then I'm gonna say save. You guys have to save your work before actually doing it. And then share your work like that. Then put the instructions, which I'm not gonna do for this video. But guys, that's how you do it. So, bye. Have a good time.
Winners.